Hey, it's your girl Kim here, and I have another review for you guys. This time it's on the Maxiglide RP, and I just wanted to let you guys see how I use this product and what my thoughts are. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Just some quick and honest thoughts here. I really do love the Maxiglide RP version of this flat iron. It really did cut down on the time as well as the process, but just so you guys know, it does not curl well, so I would not suggest it for that. Other than that, I do love this product. Let me know what you guys think. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.